Welcome again to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna do a delicious and nutritious Jamaican chicken noodle soup. In that pot, that water boiling, and I've put some salt in it. I'm gonna add the chicken. Got some chicken legs or drumstick. I got 7 of them. I'm adding them right now, as you see. Then I'm gonna add some chopped up pumpkin, some chopped up carrot, gonna add 5 cloves garlic crushed, and some pimento seeds, about a tablespoonful. Now this I'll cover and leave to boil for 20 minutes. Then I'll continue to add the other ingredients. Okay, 20 minutes have passed and the chicken legs or drumsticks they have already cooked. Now I'll be adding some pieces of yellow yam, some pieces of egos, they call them cocoa in Jamaica, also some pieces of Irish potato. I'll be back in another 20 minutes. Okay, I'll be adding some dumplings now, the spinners and the regular dumplings. These are the spinners, and it's done, you put dough in your hand, a piece of dough, and you just rub it like that, and then it's rolled out cylindrical. So while we're adding the spinners, they are pre-made. Spinners. And these are regular dumplings. You get a piece of dough and you just put it together like this. Make a circle. And after making the circle, you press. Press it with your palm. Here you go. Just like that. Having those. And add the rest of the spinners. And I'll give it a stir. I'll cover the pot again. Okay, I'll be adding some dry seasoning now. 1 teaspoon adobo perfect seasoning. That's Goya perfect seasoning. A teaspoon granulated garlic. Teaspoon cayenne pepper. Then I'll be adding some Jamaican soup mix. This is a Maggi product, and this is with pumpkin added to enhance the pumpkin. It also gives a lot of flavor, and it has salt in it. So I'll add that first and then give it a stir. Then I'll know if I need to add salt, or if so, the amount of salt I need to add. Give it a taste. It's pretty good. Next I'll be adding the vegetable seasoning. How lovely that soup looks. It's a combination of the pumpkin, the carrots, and the soup mix. The Maggi soup mix with pumpkin. I'm going to add the vegetable seasoning. This contains a small red pepper and a small green pepper. And I'll add some sprigs of thyme. Got some chopped celery. And some red onion. I won't be putting no scallion nor no Scotch bonnet pepper in it today. That's good seasoning for the soup. Scallion and a Scotch bonnet pepper to give it flavor. But I got enough flavor from the Maggi soup mix. Maybe they put a little Scotch bonnet in it too. I don't know. Now, tell me, look at that wonderful chicken soup. Have you ever seen anything such? Have you ever seen such beauty? Look at the dumplings. Look at the spinners dumplings. How lovely it looks. Next step will be to remove it from the fire. See you then. Okay, the chicken noodle soup is finished now. The Jamaican chicken noodle soup. How lovely it looks. Wonderful. I wanted it to be off the bone. You get the pieces of yummy chicken flesh. Look at this. How lovely it looks. Look at them dumplings. Lovely dumplings. I got to make a plate. Got to make a plate. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. again, this is a Jamaican chicken noodle soup recipe, and this one was made with chicken legs.